It does feel weird.
You think we can make a whirlpool on the else?
Ew, I got Orbeez going in my swimsuit. I don't like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're filling my truck up with Orbeez. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. This is 650,000 Orbeez, and we're gonna put them all in this cooler. And the bucket.
It's filling.
Yeah. And then we'll put this across it so the lid doesn't close all the way. And we'll be fine. That is one. They're all swirling in there.
It looks so gross.
Looks like a bunch of fish eggs.
It looks gross.
Now, 12 more. Is it open?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Oh, there's still a lot more.
Yeah. No, I got it. You saw gun.
Okay.
Looks gross. Got them all lined up.
Yeah.
Ready to go in?
Yeah. Just gonna let them kind of siphon in. Oh, baby. I forgot one. Or two. Well, that looks pretty cool.
They look gross.
And they're pretty disgusting. Just wait until they get bigger. Oh, shoot.
Rookie. All the 12-year-olds are gonna be so mad that you don't know how to deal with Orbeez.
Sorry.
You're a rookie.
Look in there. Look your flashlight.
They're all in there.
See, that doesn't look too bad.
That looks like I'm looking at the bottom of a lake.
Yeah.
That looks gross.
Oh, they're getting bigger already. Look at them.
Gross. Pull 'em back.
We've already started. Let me give this one a little mix. Oh, geez. Look at it.
Don't spill them.
It looks like a swarm of fish.
Under the sea.
Well, we'll see you in a couple days.
We may have a problem. This is just in the morning. It is overflowing. And so is the bucket. Pretty soon there's gonna be Orbeez all over the floor. Okay, just filled up another bucket and they are still overflowing. I gotta go to work. But hopefully Lexi can figure this out without me.
Looks like Lexi was able to figure it out. We got this one down a little bit. It's still super full. And then we have this whole bucket full of Orbeez. And they're still not all the way grown. Holy cow. Steven, in all of these containers, we have a total of 650,000 Orbeez.
650,000?
Would you like to count them? Okay, minus a couple because they overflowed and I spilled some and stepped on them.
I see one right here.
Great. We are gonna be putting this in the bed of my truck. Before we can put all these Orbeez in, we need to put the plastic in the truck and then we'll start taking these by buckets.
Oh boy.
Let's go.
Okay.
Now we just gotta fill it up a little bit. Steven's gotta hold that side.
It's so cold.
And then we can add the Orbeez. Stir the pot.
Looks like it's a cereal.
The puffs from Captain Crunch.
I like turtles.
Okay, the truck bed is full of Orbeez and water. Steven, we need to gather a couple things and then we're getting in this thing and testing it out. One thing I brought was this table for shade.
We're gonna flip it over the top of us?
Yes, the sun, even though you can't see it, is hot. We're gonna put some shade on here so we don't burn.
Alright.
Look at that, and
Shouldn't it be on this side?
and then you can crawl under that. But also, Steven, if we do it like this, I can sit on this side or whatever. You can sit on this side. We can play cards.
We have to put that in the middle.
Exactly, like this.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see.
What was that? Oh, the hose.
That's the leg.
No way.
The leg is one in. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, stand it up. This is so dumb.
Oh, I don't think it's gonna.
Yeah, we have to have it on this far side over here.
Okay, hold on. Okay. I don't think it fully extends. We're so close.
Just go like this a couple times.
No, your back legs just need to push that way. Yeah. Oh. And then move that little dangly. Perfect! Look at that. Now we got shade. Oh. Oh, you see?
Do you feel like you're at a spa?
Yeah, how is it?
Nice.
Ew.
Yeah, this is
The way it squishes in your feet.
you can feel it in between your toes. That was what I remember from them. Is when they're a little bit bigger, they get caught in between your toes.
Gross.
Well, the water's freezing though.
It's not too bad because it's hot out here.
I think you should sit down.
Okay, Steven.
I don't want to sit down.
Get your
Oh,
phone on
no,
the
I
table.
think you should, because he got in first.
Sit down. I was in when
Okay,
you were
I'll sit down.
Oh
Okay,
my-
now Steven, you sit in the water.
This one's rolling out.
It is squishy in here.
I think it looks gross. Looks like fish
Ugh.
eggs.
That's cold. There's only like 3 Orbeez that float.
I know, the rest are just sinking. Those ones need more water in them.
So far, so good.
Ooh, that is cold.
It's a little chilly in here. Ew, I got Orbeez going in my swimsuit. I don't like this.
They have air bubbles in them, that's how. I'm not going any lower. I don't want to go any lower.
Dude, my legs are disappearing.
I'm gonna go this low.
It's freezing. No. Ew.
Ew. This is weird.
This is bizarre. Okay, that's enough. Get out of there. Look
Ew.
at that.
Ew, what the heck?
Ew!
It looks like corn on
Why
the
do you have
cob.
that much in there? How much do I have in mine? Oh my gosh!
Like the one from the church?
Yeah, like shapoon. You make that sound every time you shoot a basketball. Shapoon. Shapoon.
Hey!
You don't have to use the water too. You can get rid of all the water. Use the Orbeez.
No.
Oh, crap. That was a mistake.
Shapoon.
Now we will be playing Russian roulette with balloons and Orbeez. Lexi got it all set up. And so we're gonna be picking numbers, and there's numbers on the balloons, and we have to pop it over our heads and see who gets more, I guess, dumped on their head. But before that happens, I'm gonna stand up and let all these Orbeez out.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You are never gonna be able to wear that tank top again. It's gonna be so stretched out.
Hold on.
Stop it!
You're safe.
Here.
That is in your hair.
That was Orbeez.
Because Steven was the biggest loser in this competition, he gets to sit here while I shower him with a bucket full of Orbeez.
Why was that so many Orbeez?
So many. They're everywhere.
They're in the dirt and now they look like Cocoa Puffs.
Ew, gross.
How did so many come out of that bucket? It is all right here.
The whole.
Steven, that side. Okay.
I can't hold on. Like this. I feel like Spider-Man.
Oh jeez.
Oh jeez. We're hauling. Oh no! I got you.
I can't. I can't.
I feel like go, man. I don't think that went as planned.
Okay,
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh. We have a swamp.
how am I supposed to get out of this thing? We're gonna sink. It looks like boba.
Ew.